Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, we have another unbagging and that means we have another review. Let's see who it's from. Alright, well, we got a fairly big bag. Alright, we got a couple cross stitch and we have a diamond painting project. So, this is from FGNormal. So, we'll start with the diamond painting project. And it was $8.72. Let me put the scissors away. Put this up there. So, as you can see, they are little kitty cats. And they're the, hang on, let me get them out of here. Well, we don't need all that. Everything is kind of stuck together here for some reason. All right. Comes with the little chains that you hook on them. And you can hang them from a backpack or hang them from a little nail. So they are little kitty cats. Aren't they cute? Make sure, lay it down there. So there's 5 of them. And it comes with a boat, wax, a pin, and a few little extra baggies. As you know, I'm saving all my diamond painting extras, and we're gonna do Christmas ornaments in the end. Get these out. I just thought these were just kind of cute, and they're made out of that plexiglass stuff that's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let me see. Okay, it's sticky on that side. Is it sticky on this side? Is there a... Yep. So I guess you do fronts and backs. I won't peel it too far in case you aren't supposed to. But I just thought they were cute. And since we have a cat now, you know, we have a cat. She hasn't made an appearance on YouTube yet. Oh, okay. So, we got some iridescent orange ones. We have iridescent, like green-blue ones. We have pink teardrops. And we have googly eyes. Yay, cool. So the cats have googly eyes. I've never seen that before. So now we have clear. It's like clear with kind of an iridescent or aurora borealis looking. Iridescent is what I call them. They remind me of, what is that? What is that? Carnival glass. Jeez. And we have some pink ones. Orange. We have clear. We have green, like an emerald color. We have a little darker pink, I think, maybe a peach color. And you have yellow, and you have a tangerine orange and red. You have solid black drills. They are not like rhinestones. And you have clear round ones that are clear. Yeah, like a crystal. So if that was clear crystal, I don't know if that's got a tone to it. It might have a yellow. I'm not real sure. So, yeah, some really nice drills. Let me fold everything together and put it back in this bag. So everything is together. But for $8, these are really good size. Like those little girls that I got, they were really teeny tiny, but these are fair good size. And I like that they make them out of plexiglass instead of paper. It goes really well. So yeah, I thought that would be a fun little project. All right. Let me put all that right there. All right, let's get to the cross stitch. Okay, so this one is a 14 count. And it's called Bird's House number 3. It's 27 by 36, and it was $4.95. No, that $4.97. I'll get it out of the bag. Hang on. Hold that thought. There'll be a moment. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag with all the instructions on the back. And let me flip it over so I can show you the beautiful picture. Isn't that pretty? Very, very pretty with the little bluebirds and the bird cage and the lovely pink flowers. They kind of look like peonies. Not sure, but, you know, they could be something else for sure. It's kind of bent there. Does come with a pattern. Oops. Hang on. We're having a hot moment here. It's 110 by 60. 27 by 36. Has, well, that's weird. Oh, I was like, where is it? It's got 33 colors. You have 29 you do full stitch with. And you have 4 back stitch colors. There's your 30, 31, 32, and 33. And you have a French knot in 823, which is a dark blue. So I'm assuming that's for the bird's eye. I'm not seeing any more French knots anyplace. Okay, so just one single French knot. This one is broken down into 4 parts. And it is a partial. You don't have to do the background. So cool. Let's take a look at all those beautiful colors. Does come with 2 needles. And this is another one of those cards that, so there's 1 strand of this, there's a half a strand of this, and 1 strand of that. And then the DMC number, and then the number on the thread card. They're kind of pale, but we get it. And let me pull that apart. There's all the other beautiful colors. Aren't they pretty? You got greens and oranges and peaches and purples and blues. You got some tan off-whitish. There's your 823 that you're going to use for a back stitch or the French knot. I think. Yeah, that's one of the colors. Because you have to outline the bird. But yes, just beautiful, gorgeous colors. And the product number is right there. Like, is on the front. And this says 2 of 2. So you can't get them lost. But gorgeous colors. Like a rainbow. I'm looking. There's no 310 black in this. Okay. That's what I thought that was, but that's that dark navy, I'll call it. Everybody's already screwed up and I haven't even started stitching. What can I say? My goodness gracious. We'll just put that up there. Now, the symbols will not match the canvas. Isn't that pretty? It's going to be gorgeous. And it looks very simple to do. It wouldn't take you any time at all. It's just kind of long, you know. Okay, let's take a look and see. It is serged all the way around. I don't know if you heard me say that or not. It is 36.5 centimeters, or a little over 14.25. That way. And this way it is 27.5 centimeters, or 10.75. Actual picture size is a little over, almost 8 inches across by 11.5. So will this whole thing fit? Yeah, it would fit in an 11 by 14 frame if you wanted to frame it. Let me go this way just one more time. Dang near. It is so close to 11. So, yeah. But it won't fit in an 8 by 10. So, very nice. Symbols are very easy to read. These are the symbols that match the canvas, not the paper pattern. So you all these going up and around are your regular stitches. Then you have your French knot, and then you have your back stitches. So very nice. Very nice. I like that. And like I said, it wasn't very much. It was $4.97. Okay, now the next one was $12.46. Get it out of the bag. Okay. Let me flip it over. There is no picture. I am going to put a picture here. Okay, that way you can see what is going on. I thought this was really pretty. I wonder how much of this detail is going to show up. The other one was a 14 count. This is an 11 count. Has a nice, great big paper pattern that will match the canvas on this one. And it has the, product number, how big it is. It's a 45 by 60, and then it has how many squares per square at the bottom. It has 40 colors. Very nice paper pattern. Very easy to read. It's big enough to see for me. If you want, you can blow it up, you know, not a big deal. It has that 154, which is the plum color. Has 310 black. No 550 purple. No 823. It does have some 939. It has 3371, which is that dark brown. And no 3865. Very nice symbols. Let me just do this. Very easy to read. Very, very easy to read. I like that. And it does have some big areas. We're going to see that here in a minute on the canvas. It's kind of hard for me to judge sometimes. It does come with... Ooh, we got a new bag. We got a new bag. We have a koi. Let me see if I can get that out. There you go. Isn't that pretty? A green koi. Never saw a green koi. It has 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Cool. We got new ones. Let's take a look at the colors. Oh, before I forget, it does have the instructions, same ones that were on the back of the Joy Sunday. So if you don't know how to do a cross stitch, how to start, where to pick your symbol, your thread to get started, it's all there. Okay, threads. Does have the same product number right here. I'm assuming. Let's match it up. Assumption never got anybody anywhere. So yes, it is the same product number that's right here. That same product number will be on the canvas. Put that up there. So we have some hanks of thread. We have 939. We have 939. And we have 310 black. So 2 939s, a 310 black. And we have 3799, which is kind of a dark green. I don't know if it's coming out green in the camera. So those are your hanks. Let's undo this. Let's see here. So you got some browns, some mocha. Looks like a medium to a dark mustard. I don't know how to explain that. Very nice browns. And then we have our vivid colors over here. So you have reds, purple, blue, peach, light peach, medium-ish peach down there. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And that color right there is the 3371, this dark brown. So yeah, very nice colors. Hang on, we're going to put this right there. And wrap that up. All right, let's take a look at the canvas. I saw this, and it was like on the front page of the site, and I had to look through dang near everything to find it. For some reason, it just took forever to find this, and I wanted this bad. It'll go with all my ancient women thing. So, very nice. Yep, there's going to be confetti in this part here. You do have some big areas up in here and around. This little edge right here, there must be flowers or something. I can't see from even this picture, but it's kind of confettied on the edges there. And her crown thingy, or whatever, headdress, is kind of like that. Kind of confettied. And I can't unfold the whole thing, only because my desk is not big enough. But you've got confetti like running through here and there, and then you have these bigger areas. So very nice. I hope it brings out a lot of the details. Let me see if I can do it this way and see if I can measure. It is, come on, tell me, 45 by 60. So let's see how close they got. Did I tell you the edges were serged? Very nicely serged. I like that. So it's 61.5 centimeters by 45 centimeters. The actual picture, sorry, I thought I could do it, didn't mean to hit the camera. It's just kind of big. All right, it is 55 centimeters or 21 3/4 ish by 38.5 centimeters or a little over 15 1/4. So 15 1/4 by 22 3/4 ish. So it's a good size. So hopefully the all the, what do you call it, all of the details will come out in that headdress thing. So yeah, I just loved it. So we'll see how well we love it. Her eyes are very confettied, but you do have these in her nose and mouth, but the rest of it is just like a solid color. Not solid, but big rivers of color. How's that? Very nice. I do love FGNormal. I love their store. They've always got something for everybody. Now, they do have free shipping over 40 pounds. I don't know what that is in US dollars. They have, if they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They have cross stitch and diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. They also have beaded cross stitch and embroidery and scrapbooking, wood felt, paper quilling, wax sealing, and silk screen stencils. They have custom in diamond painting and paint by number only. If that is changed, I'll put that in the description as well. Thank you, FGNormal, for sending me these beautiful items. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.